snowed a couple of days ago, and then the temperatures dropped way below freezing. We had about 9 degrees Fahrenheit between yesterday and this morning. And I'm hoping that Tumalo Falls is frozen at least a little bit. But either way, it's going to be a beautiful wintry scenery over there. And I'm hoping to capture that for you guys. Hi everyone, this is Andrea with Adventures and Dreams, and I'm bringing you another episode from the beautiful state of Oregon today. And like I said already in the intro, heading to Tumalo Falls. And I've been there several times already between spring and fall, but never in the winter. So I saw some amazing photos online, and I hope I find something similar like that for you guys. Right now I'm just walking down the street or the gravel road that is normally accessible during the summer. But right now everything is closed, of course, because of the snow. So I'm walking, I don't know, I think it's 3 miles. I have to check that later on and put that in the description or in the subtitles. But I'm just enjoying my day out here. It's beautiful and sunny and not super cold anymore like it was earlier. And I'm all alone over here, so that's really awesome. Tumalo Creek not only provides water for irrigation and drinking, but it also plays an essential role as an ecosystem. This creek is only one of 4 within a 100-mile stretch of the Deschutes River, with an average temperature of about 50 degrees Fahrenheit. Most rivers run at about 70 degrees Fahrenheit during the summer. This much colder and clean water is vital for the survival of the native red-band trout. The first look of this 97-foot waterfall is always impressive. This little viewing area is easily accessible during the summer months, right from the parking lot, while the hiking path up to the top of the falls may not be suitable for everyone. This 0.6-mile hike takes us up 150 feet to the Tumalo Falls overlook. The path continues beyond this point with many smaller waterfalls, but today we're just walking to the top of the most impressive one. In 1979, an abandoned campfire exploded into a raging wildfire that burned 4,300 acres of old-growth spruce and pine forest. Charred trees and some patches of vegetation were all that was left. These trees were removed, but without them, the stream banks became unstable and erosion caused significant damage, with sediments washing down the stream. This severely impacted the water quality, wildlife and wetlands relying on this water. In 2004, a restoration project was started along the 3-mile stretch of Tumalo Creek to rebuild the natural habitat that was once there. We can all do our part by protecting the rivers and the creeks, the stream beds and the forests all around us. As the sun is slowly setting, we take one last look around us, looking at the new growth trees, dotted with some old trees that we can still see on the hillside across from us. Well, my friends, that's it for our little adventure here at Tumalo Falls. It was really magical, and I can't believe how much ice there was at the waterfall and how much snow is over here. I think there might be about 1.5 or 2 feet of snow that I've seen, but it was really easy to walk. People come here with skis and with their dogs, snowshoes, and I think even snowmobiles. So I didn't even need any snowshoes or microspikes over here. But I hope you enjoyed this as much as I did, coming here and walking here. And I hope to see you on my next adventure also. I'm posting just about every week now, so I'm trying to keep that up this year. And if you want to see more of my videos, please consider subscribing to my channel and sharing it with friends and family who would also enjoy this content a lot. Well, take care, my friends, and I'll see you on my next adventure.